It's not yours, it's not ours. Protect the nature who nourishes us. Good afternoon to all my friends and respected teachers. I'm your host Parivi Singh of Class 10th I. Happy World Environment Day to all of you. So today is a special day for all of us as we are having a short program on World Environment Day. We will be listening many stories, poems, quotes, and speeches. Oh my God, I'm excited. So before starting this program, I would tell you that if you want to say anything, please raise your hand so that we can hear you one by one. So I would like to request Vaishnavi. Uh, so please continue.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today I, Vaishnavi, student of class 10th I, will represent you a small poem on our environment. So here I begin. This Mother Earth who gave us life, this Mother Earth, heart filled with strife. We love her not, though love we should. Her death we plot for life's own good. She gave us air and food and home. That's not enough, we humans scream. With greedy lust, our mouths so form. With evil hopes, our eyes do gleam. Her hair we fill with smoke and death. Ourselves we kill for lack of breath. The seas once clean, now choked with waste. To drink we fear, with death make haste. The soil once pure and full of life, now barren sand of farmers' strife. No longer she can stand our love. Now we must flee like scattered dove. She gave us all unto the end. Now we upheld our lives defend. Now I end this poem with a small request. Please don't cut the trees. Please save plant. Please save tree and do deforestation. Thank you.
Very good. Wow. What a heart touching poem and a short message. I love it. Now I would like to request Priyanshu to just continue further.
My topic is World Earth Day. The only diseases of the earth in humans, unfortunately, is only cure as well. And the earth is our mother in spite of our desire to harm our mother. She will always love us forever. And Mahatma Gandhi tells one quotation that earth provided enough to satisfy every man need, but not every man's greed. So that's we can save our we will save our life from safe environment. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi once said, "What we are doing to the forests of the world is a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another." Now I would like to hand over the mic to Shreya.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shreya Mishra, and I'm from class 10th I. And I am here to discuss about World Environment Day. The environment is a natural world that comprises of air, water, land, animal, plant, and etc. As our surrounding, this environment is a legacy given to us by the universe in a perfect condition of time with abundant natural sources. However, man has directly impacted the whole ecosystem, leading to many environmental issues and problems. The increasing demand for industries, natural resources, and technologies in today's world has impacted Mother Earth in terms that has led to other series of problems and has elevated the whole environment in an unimagined way. The indiscriminate use of environment is the root of the ecological crisis. There are some issues like deterioration of natural resources and shortage of drinking water, dimensioning forest and wetlands, and galvanizations, and some other issues, etc., etc. So I would like to end my speech here that, and there's a question, why we need to celebrate World Environment Day. So, to save and create awareness about World Environment Day, the UNA has declared this day as the World Environment Day. So, I hope you have listened me carefully, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and thank you so much.
Those who ignore their surroundings will soon have to face the agitation of Mother Nature. Let us act and take care of our environment before it is too late. I would like to request our respected teacher to end this program with a short and sweet message.
Such a nice session organized by Pari and their classmates. Such a very nice session. And all of you done very well. And this is the best session of this 5th June program. Okay. Now bind up Pari.
Thank you everyone for participating in this program. I wish you all a very happy Environment Day again, and please stay safe, take care. Vaishnavi, you wanna say something?
About this day, I want to say means what Mother Earth really want to tell us. I also want to say some short poem about it. So if you all like, so I can start.
Yeah, beta.
Sure.
Start.
Yes, of all the planet, I am special. I am the Mother Earth, filled with water, air, and life. Humans, trees, birds, water animals, and wildlife. I spin and turn all year round the orbit to give you all the seasons and climate. You people use my land, air, water, and soil, but keep on filling it will litter and allow it to spoil. I provide you air, food, and home to live. With greedy lust, you destroy the nature I gave and plot your own nature's death. The air you fill with smoke makes me breath choke. You make my heart fill with strife by cutting down the green forest and pushing up the greenhouse gases. What was the once a clean sea and pure soil is now all barren, glossed with waste and oil. How long can I start the trouble? I start to scream and tremble. I give you all I have unto my end. But it's now all in your hands to defend and mend. Thank you.
Oh, a very clear and heart-touching poem was there. So now I think we should wrap up this program, and thank you all for participating in this program.